Hey guys, thanks again for tuning into my channel, JFit777. And last night I showed you guys my makeup remover nighttime skin cleansing routine. So today I'm going to show you my morning skincare cleansing routine. And how I do it is at nighttime I like to use stronger products, and the reason being is because you have makeup on, your skin tends to be oilier, you face daily environmental stresses, like pollution, weather changes, whether it's hot or cold. So I feel like I need that extra medication, acne medication, like salicylic acid, to help remove and really deep clean my face for what it's been through for the whole day. So in the morning time, when I wake up, and I usually get like 5-6 hours of sleep, when I wake up, my face is not as oily, and it hasn't faced any environmental stresses except for it's been resting all night. So in the morning, what I like to do is use even more gentle products. And the products that I'm going to show you guys today, and again, like I mentioned in my last video, I'm oily skin, acne prone, and I'm sensitive skin. So the products I'm going to show you guys today that I use for my morning routine, even though they are gentle, they are very good for oily skin and acne prone. And you would think that, if they're like gentle products, that might not be as strong to prevent acne. But the ones that I have been using, that I'm going to show you guys today, they've been doing me wonders. So let's get started. Put this down. Okay. So I'm going to rinse my face first. And I'm using Oxy Purifying Face Scrub. And even though it says it's 2% salicylic acid, I still feel, compared to the St. Ives apricot scrub that I use for my nighttime routine, I feel like this is way smoother. I mean, not smoother. I feel like it's more gentle and softer on my skin. It's almost like a face wash, not really like a scrub. So I apply that to my face. And just let it foam up, lather up nicely. Rinse that off. And for my gentle cleanser, I'm going to go in and use Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. And this is good for all skin types. I got this at CVS for just under $12. And it definitely makes my skin feel hydrated, moist, but not to the point where it's too oily. And it also definitely doesn't overdry my skin. So I definitely recommend this if you guys are sensitive skin and you're looking for like a more gentle wash. It definitely works wonders. And I just take 2 pumps of that. don't mind my hair. Go ahead and rinse that off. And you definitely don't want to be too harsh on your skin. So instead of rubbing your face like crazy, you want to pat your skin. You want to treat your skin nice. Okay. And it definitely gives me like a nice cool sensation, like a very mild tingle type of feeling, which I really love. It just gives me like that nice fresh feel, and just waking me up, getting me ready for the day. And as a moisturizer, I use CVS Acne Fighting Moisturizer, and it's oil free. Again, I have oily skin. Definitely one products are oil free, and this is a CVS brand. It's compared to the Clean and Clear oil free dual action moisturizer. So I was gonna buy that one until I saw this in CVS, and I'm like, you know what, it's a little cheaper, let me give it a try. And I love it. It's definitely light skin. It definitely leaves like a nice moisture to my skin, but not to the point where my skin is, especially my oily zones, not to the point where it's like feeling too greasy, or just the heaviness on your face. It's definitely lightweight. It doesn't break me out, which, being acne prone, is very difficult to find a lotion, a facial lotion or facial moisturizer that doesn't break you out. So this one, definitely a plus, and I suggest you guys check it out. And I just do 2 pumps of that. And the good thing I like about this is that it definitely absorbs quickly. Which is also an indicator why it's a lightweight moisturizer. I also like to put a little bit on my neck. So take 2 more pumps and do upward strokes. You definitely don't want to stroke it downward, because the neck is definitely, I think the neck is one of the first body parts to show your age. Not that I'm old, but it's definitely one of the body parts to show your age, and you want to fight against gravity and just train your skin to not get wrinkled that quickly. Age gracefully. So you want to do that upwards. Just rinse my hands. And that's about it, you guys, for my morning skin cleansing routine. For my morning skin cleansing routine, that's all I use, just those 3 products. If I do use an astringent, I don't use an astringent. I would use a toner, because a toner tends to be, even though they're typically the same, but a toner tends to be more lighter and not as heavier, not as stronger as an astringent. But I don't have a toner as of now, which I have to purchase one. But that's about it. That's my morning routine. And again, if you guys are oily skin, acne prone, and sensitive skin, I suggest that you guys definitely go and check those products out if you're looking for more gentle daily type of products, and not a strong products that you will use every day and night. By doing that, which with me personally, I just end up getting dry patches on my face because they're just so strong. So that's why I like to use stronger products at night and gentle products in the morning. Or if my face is becoming too dry, I'll probably just stick with the gentle products morning and night. Maybe every other day do the stronger products. But that's about it. And thanks again, you guys, for watching. And comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will check you guys later. Bye.